Stop scrolling. This is the video that will slap you awake. Why are you broke, unhappy, stuck? It's not bad luck. It's not fate. It's you. These harsh truths will punch you in the face, but if you can handle them, they'll change your life. Stay or stay stuck. Your call.
Nobody is coming. I just need a little help, man. Maybe next month will be better. Help? From who? No one's coming. You think success knocks on doors? You need to break it down. If it matters, it's your job to make it happen. You get exactly what you give. Nothing more, nothing less. So stop whining. Start working. Your life is built by your habits, not dreams, not wishes. I want to be successful, but I'm just too tired after work. Then stay tired and broke. Winners work when they're tired. Losers rest when they're bored. Which are you? Your routine is your future. Period. Consistency beats talent. Every single time. Audit yourself. Fix it. The world doesn't care. It's not fair. I work hard, but nothing changes. Fair. The world isn't fair. It's just real. Cry or conquer. Your choice. No one hands out success. You fight for it. Action gets rewarded. Complaining gets ignored. Your comfort zone is killing you. But I like keeping things safe. I'm comfortable. Comfort is the enemy. You're either growing or dying. Which one are you? If it's hard, it's worth it. If it's easy, it's a trap. Growth comes to those who suffer now to win later. You're running out of time. I'll start next week. No rush. Next week? You might not even have a next week. Time's bleeding out. Move now. If it's not a hell yes, it's a hard no. Respect your time, or it will punish you. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. I keep thinking I'm going to fail. Then you will fail. Change your mind, change your life. Period. Think like a winner, act like a winner. Positive thoughts bring positive outcomes. Negative thoughts destroy. Here's the final punch. Your life is your fault. But that's the best news ever, because it means you can fix it. So what's it going to be? Still watching? Good. Now move. Drop a comment. Which truth hit you like a brick wall? And share this with someone who's too soft to hear it. Wake up. Get to work. Subscribe if you're ready to level up.